Welcome to the KFC production facility. Every morning, we process thousands of pounds of high-quality chicken right here, ready for distribution across the region. Welcome to the facility. Proceed to Bay 4 for raw materials drop-off. Keep the refrigeration active.
Bay 4, understood.
Ensure full coverage up to the elbow. The automated cycle.
Make sure the brushes cover your entire forearm. Wait for the green light before proceeding to the next station.
Ensure full coverage, scrubbing all the way up to the elbow.
All right, hairnets and masks are secure. Gloves are on tight. Very good. Let's maintain this standard throughout the shift. This air shower ensures full sterilization. Step in when the door opens.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good shift.
Quality check complete. This batch is approved.
As you can see on the readout here, the core temperature is currently optimal. We need to maintain that until it reaches the blast chiller.
It's crucial we maintain the cold chain integrity right up to the line. What's the reading on this batch?
38 degrees, perfectly within range.
Below 4 degrees Celsius during the transfer process.
The critical control point here is maintaining the temperature below 4 degrees Celsius.
Ensure the internal temperature remains stable. As per regulations, it must be logged every hour, especially during transfer to the loading dock.
We must ensure the internal temperature stays below the critical limit during transit. Double-check the gauge before you move the dolly.
As you can see at the primary quality inspection station, we meticulously check for any visual defects.
This is our primary quality inspection point. As you can see, the workers are meticulously checking the chicken pieces for any visual defects.
Bin. Maintain speed, but remember, accuracy on the A grade is crucial for the premium order.
Okay, remember, the uniformity and color are key for the premium batch. Anything bruised or under the weight requirement goes directly to the secondary bin. Uniform cooking starts with precise portioning. By weighing each piece exactly, we guarantee consistency and the perfect bite for our customers.
Thanks. Here at the boiling station, the chicken portions are rapidly pre-cooked. This ensures consistent quality and eliminates harm.
Welcome to the pre-cooking phase. The raw product is submerged in these industrial vats to ensure consistent temperature before final preparation.
boiling surface
serves two purposes. It prepares the feathers for removal and significantly reduces microbial load on the skin.
We ensure the exact grammage is loaded for consistent flavor in every batch. This automated process guarantees precision. This is where the magic happens. Our secret recipe seasoning is applied in this tumbler, ensuring perfect coverage every time.
As you can see, we maintain the oil at exactly 175 degrees Celsius.
We regulate the temperature precisely at 350 degrees. This, combined with the 5 psi of pressure.
Next order up, 3-piece combo and a family bucket.
This shipment of KFC product is cleared for the dispatch area. All boxes are sealed and temperature locked for quality assurance.
Inspection is complete. The shipment is secure and ready to move into the cold storage area. Here at KFC, quality is our top priority. We ensure every product is prepared to the highest standard, absolutely perfect. And
secure the load. Make sure the temperature holds at 35. Roger that. Closing her up.